chatlo na ko. So that was a very good advice from a very good friend Nikhil. Aduna kaya way. So when there was a change in the plan, Hojik Rameshwaram Chatani, which will take us another 7 hours or something. How many hours?
7 hours 36 minutes.
Yeah, 7 hours.
470 kilometers to be covered.
470 kilometer ko. So let's see. We are very excited. Rameshwaram say, aina hana su kay hai ni kitang pamjaba hai tare ko. Sana hana Ramayan daga parakpado. Ito to when a bridge laiba do connect to Sri Lanka da ko. So I hope I'll get to see that. Now let's see how the journey goes. I'll keep making videos and share with you guys. I video se ko yam phajabadi waramdaba yai because this is the first time I'm doing and YouTubing tongni sumai thagat kani kaina ko I game plan leramde it just happened randomly aduna ahamba video to so it was just a photo kind of video phajarasu thirasu to adum kai haini like tawbiro thank you National Highway 30 tani Rameshwaram Chatkani haibado dune lamida ko. So scenery am fazai like South India is really beautiful. I get the way ma'am ipamnade but I really like idli sambar dosa. Isa ke khara pamde ko asin bajava se. Now since on the way get the way some board to base ko isai sunta ya koi koi se taraga kai stand up comedy tai lambi se sang bani na ko. So I would say Matharake, which is very beautiful, and this song really touched my heart when I heard for the first time. So I hope kento we may have the family say just Harake.
Sulauna hang lagi, nayu mai kai pong lak lu lop na lay balang lender chat na yin thadu lu.
Kau bashu lay tinang bulap na dong lay na rashu thamoy gi mari amag iram lipuari dang pok bibang mahakashu li bikhi adungay gi jakyom yuyo yena jamin na baywari su.
Sunburn oibayai, so it's very important to protect the skin. So for this, I see used to be Neutrogena Giseko SPF 50. Like Rameshwaram is around 509 kilometer. So now we have left like 280 kilometer. Ibong baro tare. Aduna kay haini kung mari makai do daga yawri ay ko. Lambi se kitang sang ya do so lambi se am ngai. Moi gi se pura smooth road ni na kem ya wa ba khut ba di kem taw de. Mapal da sa anyam sai. Like we have done on the AC. ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯩꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯕꯠ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎ ꯊꯤꯡꯖꯤꯜꯂ ꯊꯝꯃꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ
This is the Kaveri River.
and yeah this is the Kaveri River mapalda khusama like if you open the window isada chanap lawe aduna hangdopa yade window di ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤ like he likes special lot ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ special order ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯅ chicken ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ GPS ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ check ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯔꯥꯏꯗꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯝ ꯇꯧꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ now he's checking all his messages ꯑꯗꯨꯒ GPS ꯑꯃꯨꯛ check ꯇꯧꯅꯤ location ꯑꯃꯨꯛ check ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯆꯥꯁꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯍꯤꯟꯖꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯍꯤꯟꯖꯥꯡꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯍꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯩ ꯁꯦꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯝꯤꯜ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯗꯨꯗ
Roma Nandri.
ꯅꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ
Nandri. Straw. Okay.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Tamil pindi eduthu pass
ಬಾಯ್ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ I guess 15-20 more minutes is remaining ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯏꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯤꯛꯏꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯥꯏꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯤꯡꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯤꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯗꯣꯟꯠ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯃꯥꯎꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦꯕ and now I'll be seeing sea again which is really exciting for me ꯑꯗꯣ sea beach ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯃꯅꯤ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯎꯔꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ
कुछ मुझे समझाए तो मैं कैसा
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯔꯥꯃꯦꯁ꯭ꯋꯔꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ 3:30 ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛ 4:30 and hojik hotel da check-in tawrani check-in taw lorakanda makha taba koiba khotbadudi kai sida kamai tawdina khotno check out tawraga ko haying thokne hoise mo trivandrum gi ko so we have just hardly what 4-5 hours aduna 4-5 hours kai kai yengba khotpa myam do ko hojik plan out tawdine ba so ngasigi di lore video se mathang dana mo Rameshwaram koibagi video ko macha khak ama semaga tharakpa ngamjagi thank you aduga aina maitirol ngambada kitang soijarasu ko yam kanna kai haini mind tawbiranu kainada kharadi soibane but I'm trying hard fazna ngam